Good morning on Thursday morning, a great morning this morning on the market. Markets are all down 250 points, the DAX, the Dow. Hope you made some money, great trade there. Hopefully it will continue this afternoon. Absolutely great trade there, really happy about that. Yesterday I bought Under Armour, and we'll move to the charts and I'll show you why in a minute, but that was a nice buy and it looks like that's going to break out higher. Well, everything looks right at least, and if you want to succeed in this business you must do things in a methodical, planned way. You must have a plan and stick to your plan with discipline and patience, and this is the key to success. And when 1, 2, 3 all line up and everything lines up correctly, then you go and you hit the buy or the sell button and you go ahead. And Under Armour was exactly 1, 2, 3, everything lined up perfectly. It was a nice little buy yesterday, and hopefully that will continue higher. I'll show you in a minute on the charts. Great shorts this morning. On the Dow and DAX, crikey from the open, I caught that up early. The early bird catches the worm. If you want to do this properly, as I've just said, you want to be up early, you need a planned routine, you need to stick to your routine, be ready like a tiger. And you sit and you wait, and when that antelope comes along, or that fish, or whatever you're waiting for, you just pounce on it. And it's like that with the trade. You sit there, you do nothing, just sit there patiently. And when everything is right, you go in and you kill it. And that's it really, that is really it. And if you want to do this successfully, if you're trying to learn this business, you want to copy someone like me who's done this for years, who knows what they're talking about. And you know what I'm saying makes sense. What I've just said to you, it's just common sense. It's common sense. Practice makes perfect. When something is planned and is thought out, something written down, a plan, a real plan is written down, and when you stick to something that's written down, it works, because when you write something down, you think about it a lot more. And when you stick to something that has an edge, as you know, a strategy with an edge, which is what you need to succeed, you succeed over and over and over. You succeed, and that's why, because if something works, it keeps working, and it's just common sense. So if you want that, if you're learning new to this business, and you want to get your account into profitability, then look at my website, join my private circle, follow me, learn from these videos, watch the videos, like, subscribe, follow. Every day I'm giving out a ton of useful information. So much value, you wouldn't believe it. Okay, let's stop this and let's go over to the computer and look at Under Armour. I'll speak to you there.
Markets are pulling back up now. It's 1 o'clock European time right now. Let's go and look at Under Armour like I promised. Under Armour. Here we are. Now, you can see what happened yesterday. This candle here is where it burst up to 1 hour. No, sorry, that's 1 hour. Under Armour. Let's change this to a 3-minute chart here. Right, we've got the open here. This is the open when Wall Street opened, right here, and the stock then popped up to 24, you can see, 24 here, and it held, pulled back to the 200-day moving average here, had a little pullback, and then we finished up around 24.25. Now, I bought this on the break of 24. Now I'll tell you for why. Let's switch now to the hourly chart or daily chart. Now here we are. You can see you've got 1, 2, 3 points where the Under Armour stock has come to 24. It failed here and came back down to this bottom, came up again here to 23.36, couldn't do it, came down again, had another try here up to 24, then failed again. So I knew right away, if this can break 24 and close above 24, which is something else very significant on a daily basis, if whatever you're looking at, if it can close above the level or below, whether you're looking to go long or to go short, buying or selling, if it closes above, for example with Under Armour, 24, we got closed above 24. So basically it's taken out these 1, 2, 3 times it's had a try, 3 points of resistance, and it's taken them out and it's closed above 24. So I know right away that going through 24 is a good sign on the bullish side. Now you can see these green candles here, these are daily. You can see this one, big bullish green candles. And all these have got the wick, what they call the candlestick wick on the bottom, and this means that the candle was bought up here, because you can see the price action was bought up, so that means that there's good volume to the upside. So this is another signal that Under Armour is going higher. So on the daily you've got a nice uptrend there last few days. On the hourly we're going up nicely here. We've got a golden cross here, which is where the 50-day crosses the 200-day. On the hourly, we have golden cross on the daily. We have golden cross on the weekly. This is all a positive sign. Now, if we go back to the daily on Under Armour, now the main thing for me buying was the 24 level being broken. It looked very bullish, and once it held above there, I was, I really think this is looking good. If we can get above 25, then we're really, really going. Now, yesterday, when I bought just after the open, I'm going to tell you exactly what I did. Here we are. This is the open, 230 here, and then you've got this strength candle here where it goes up really with strength, the second candle, and I bought around here with my stop. I can tell you exactly at 23.90. My stop was at 23.90 here, and it never came to my stop, you can see. So, and it just went sideways. It wasn't really a real powerhouse move. It did take its time, but the market was very difficult yesterday, waiting for Jay Powell to release the minutes from the Fed meeting. So that was, the day was a bit of a drag really yesterday. Maybe this is why we'll see today. But anyway, the point of it being, you look for the strength. I then put my stop at 23.90. Once you look for an uptrend, I identify an uptrend. I see the level, psychological level, an important level of 24 being broken and taking out. Once I see 24 being taken out, I then can go in here with a 10-point risk, just 10 points. So the stock was $24 per share. My stop was at 23.90. That means I was only risking 10 cents. Now, is that a good risk reward? I think it is. I really think it is. If you can do trades where you're only risking 10 cents on a $24 stock, man, that's good to me. So if this goes to 25, 26, 27, you can do the maths. Whatever happens, if you take trades like this, you're going to be in the bank, believe me. And this is what I'm saying about having a strategy and sticking to it. Really, it works, believe me. You can see it for yourself. It broke here at the open. I put my stop at 23.90 and it didn't go rocketing up, but nevertheless, it never came down to my stop and it went, continued up and up and up. And if you really, really are serious about making money, as I said 5 minutes ago, these are the kind of trades you need. You need to limit your risk while letting your profits go and go and go. Believe me, if you want this, I can make you money day after day after day, week after week. A lot of my trades, they just go and go and go, and things that we're shorting, they go down week after week. You make money again and again and again. And this is what you want, my friends, really. So nice buy there on Under Armour. I hope you understand the way that I trade. I look for 24 to be broken. I limit my risk. I have a small stop but a very big profit margin. And when you've got that ratio of 10 cents, you go in at 24, your stop's at 23.90. You're risking 10 cents on a $24 stock. This is amazing. This is the way you trade. And please go and look at my website. Come and join me if you're serious about making money. What are you waiting for? Let's get on it. Crikey. There are things like this every day, every week, but you've got to be disciplined, you've got to be patient. There's nothing doing and there's nothing doing, but this is the way to trade. I hope that helps, and it's very simple. When you make it complicated, that's when you don't make money. The simplest things work. Doing it the right way works. And that's it, basically, Trades like this, nice shorts like this morning. And when you sign up to be a member of my private circle, I will give you for free my 3 candlestick pattern that will guarantee you to make profit. And if you stick to this setup, every time when you do a trade, I'll explain it to you exactly what it is. If you stick to my 3 candlestick system, this will make you money just because the odds are in your favor. Because if you wait for the setup to come right, and then you got such a small risk and such a high potential profit, you cannot go wrong, believe me. Anyway, I hope that's helped you. Please go and look at my site. I will speak to you later. Bye for now.